Today, a judge heard arguments in a lawsuit Nestle filed against a small northern Michigan township.
But not before a small protest outside of the courthouse showed people's opposition to the bottled water giant. 24-hour News 8's Lindsay McComal is back from that hearing and joining us now with a breakdown of today's events. Lindsay.
Well, Brian and Sue, Nestle is appealing Osceola Township's decision to not let them build a booster station near their well. The judge did not make a decision on that today, but that booster is needed if the state decides to let them increase what they take from that well to 400 gallons per minute. That's an application that has now been pending with the DEQ for 16 months. Those against the company demonstrated outside the courthouse before this afternoon's hearing.
I think it's disgusting that they're appealing the township's decision.
More than 24 people spent some of their afternoon standing in the rain and standing up to Nestle's lawsuit filed against Osceola Township.
Being from Michigan, we have a huge responsibility to protect the water. We have 99% of North America's fresh water source right here surrounding our state of Michigan. If people from Michigan don't do it, no one else is paying attention. It's very important.
Marion Borden has fought against Nestle setting up operations in northern Michigan since 2000. She thinks the township's denial of the booster at their White Pine Springs site should stand, but worries the corporation will ultimately get its way.
It's hard to keep going when you're up against such a force as Nestle. I mean, they own everything in the world. And I can't pick up a candy bar or anything without having Nestle on it.
During today's hearing, Nestle's attorney, William Horn, argued the township's decision is a misinterpretation of the zoning ordinance, especially given the original well house and pipeline was approved back in 2008. They released a statement after the hearing, reading in part, "We have raised questions and concerns about the administrative process that we believe deserve a fair and impartial hearing. We appreciate the circuit court's time today and look forward to having this matter decided soon." Now, the judge's written opinion on this matter is expected sometime during the first week of December. As for that pending application with the state, there's still no timeline on when they may have a decision. Coming up at 6 o'clock, more from the township's attorney about being sued by Nestle. Brian.